June in India can be tricky for holiday planning. While some regions battle scorching heat and others face heavy rains, a few high-altitude destinations continue to offer pleasant weather, cool mornings, and refreshing landscapes. For those looking to escape temperatures above 25 degrees Celsius, these 5 hill retreats provide the perfect summer break. Darjeeling, West Bengal. Known for its tea gardens and stunning views of Kanchenjunga, Darjeeling offers a calm escape from the heat. June temperatures range between 19.2 degrees Celsius and 25.9 degrees Celsius, with an average high of 22 degrees Celsius and low of 14 degrees Celsius. Kalpa, Himachal Pradesh. Surrounded by apple orchards and the Kinnar Kailash range, Kalpa remains cool and peaceful in June. Temperatures range from 14 degrees Celsius to 23.6 degrees Celsius, with nights dropping to 4.3 degrees Celsius. Lachen, Sikkim. A hidden gem in North Sikkim, Lachen is surrounded by alpine meadows, waterfalls, and colorful forests. The destination also serves as a gateway to the breathtaking Guru Dongmar Lake, one of the world's highest lakes, known for its turquoise waters and dramatic mountain backdrop. June temperatures stay between 14.2 degrees Celsius and 21.6 degrees Celsius, with an average high of 19 degrees Celsius and low of 14 degrees Celsius. Leh, Ladakh. June marks the beginning of tourist season in Leh, with clear skies and comfortable days. Temperatures range from 9 degrees Celsius to 17.1 degrees Celsius, while nights can fall below freezing. Ooty, Tamil Nadu. The Nilgiri hill station continues to charm visitors with misty forests and tea estates. June temperatures remain between 13.8 degrees Celsius and 21.7 degrees Celsius. These destinations promise a refreshing summer escape amid India's diverse landscapes.